All right, hello fifth graders. Welcome to our work on phonics. We are in day 2 of our phonics work, although our book does not change. Okay, so go ahead and pause this video if you need to grab your My Word Study book. And we'll be working on page 38 today. All right, and our focus is on building automaticity. Okay, we're working at becoming more fluent readers, but also better spellers. All right, so on page 38, okay, before we even read the words, we're going to focus on the noun suffix. I'm wondering if you remember what a suffix is. Okay, if you said the ending of the word, you'd be correct. Do you remember what the beginning of the word is called? A prefix. Right? So there are times that we look at the prefix, but today we're focused on the suffix. All right? So words may end in ology, ant, or uri. Okay? So go ahead and glance down at your paper, and I'll give you one example to start you off. And notice the first word on the list is teacher. And it ends, okay, the suffix is ER. So I'm going to go ahead and circle the ER. All right? Now you try to find one word that ends in ology. Ology. Okay. And ology is a Greek or Latin root that means the study of. All right, and then let's look for one that ends in ant. A-N-T. I noticed immigrant. Immigrant ends with A-N-T. Okay, we did the ER, so then go ahead and go to OR. And then finally, the ERY. Okay, and feel free to pause the video if you need a second to find at least one example from each one of these types. Right? And then we're going to go ahead and read through this list together. Okay, we're going to pronounce each word with someone. Okay, that someone will be me today. All right, well, practice reading the words on your own. And then when you're ready, you will have someone time you for 1 minute. Okay, and you'll see how many of these words you can read within that 1 minute time frame. Okay, so remember, when we do get to the point where you're working with a partner, you'll remember your 3 feet of distance, okay? And you can use your Chromebook stopwatch. You can use the clock on the wall. I know many of you have watches where you could time 1 minute, and then you'll count how many words that you were able to read in that time period. All right, but first step, let's read through these words together. Okay, I'm going to start at the top left. Okay, teacher. I'm going to read all the way down. Okay, past the gray line, all the way straight down to the bottom, and then move to the second column. Right? You can say them with me, or you can hear me or listen to me read them. Teacher, actor, bakery, servant, biology, immigrant, assistant, attendant, collector, anthology, listener, investigator, misery, participant, technology, advisor, supervisor, mockery, vendor, meteorology, lawyer, doctor, pottery, immigrant, apology, teacher, lawyer, reader, caller, believer, skyscraper, senator, machinery, tenant, zoology, participant, tenant, competitor, escalator, archaeology, reader, major, surgery, assistant, geology, bakery, pottery, surgery, gallery, battery, foreigner, inventor, bribery, competitor, psychology, misery, machinery, bribery, scenery, psychology, caller, sailor, gallery, attendant, ecology, actor, doctor, major, sailor, editor, treasurer, narrator, scenery, escalator, archaeology, investigator, senator, inventor, narrator, zoology, believer, editor, battery, collector, anthology, servant, biology, apology, geology, ecology, advisor, supervisor, mockery, vendor, meteorology, listener, skyscraper, foreigner, treasurer, technology. All right, nice job following along with me. Go ahead and do the last two steps of this assignment.